Kim asked me to be his
Pispagong.
B is for Vega.
Hindi ko yan. Okay, time check. Go.
Early this morning, around like 7 a.m., Kim asked me to be his Valentine. Hindi siya naka-video, so sa CCTV lang yung footage na mapapakita ko.
Go, go, go. Mimay. Pasok ka.
Wow! Can I see first? Nandito nila si Mimay. Ang ganda naman yan.
Hindi ko yan.
Kakontsaba ko.
Ay,
Hi, baby.
cute.
So, to my Christine, click to open. Click. Will you be my Valentine? So, two options lang siya. Yes or of course. So, laan nyo kung ano sinagot ko. So, syempre, yung pinili ko, of course. Meron siyang love letter and I'm a sucker for love letter. Hindi ko siya binasa kaninang umaga kasi sabi ko, antok pa ako and feeling ko hindi ko mafe-feel yung message. So, ngayon ko pa lang siya babasahin. Going to blur it out. Naiiyak ako. There's more. So, yan. Join me for a romantic date. Our Valentine's Day timeline. So, yan. Yun lang. And so, pinaka-last. So, your presence is my honor. Looking forward to see you. Here's a bouquet for you. Ta-da! So, yeah. That's how my morning started. Pero I went back to sleep after. So, yun. Thank you so much.
Time check, it's 7:18 p.m. My dinner is omelette and chicken mini wontons. And syempre, perfect ang chicken mini wontons pag may partner na soy sauce. So, happy Friday the 13th. It's already 8:42 p.m. I'm currently on my way to the gym. It closes at 10 p.m. so I still have like an hour to work out. So, yeah, let's go! Oh my gosh, ang pogi talaga ng bronco. Made it to the gym. Today is leg day. First workout is a seated leg curl. Next workout is leg press. I tried to leg press machine. First time ko I-try yung pinaka-recent leg press na ginawa. Last workout for today is the calf extension. I love my fit today. Gym's closing in like less than 10 minutes. That's it for our workout this Saturday. No, Friday. Friday pa lang. Happy Valentine's. Laundry day.
After working out, meron akong side hustle. Ako yung favorite niyang barber. Yeah, bumisita siya dito sa Arizona para lang magpagupit. So, ito yung buhok niya ngayon. Na mahaba na siya. Yan siya before. Yes, sir.
Pinakaliguan mga tao eh.
Okay, sir. Inhale ka muna. Inhale. Exhale. Nag-break ka na? Okay, good.
Kalbo ba o J. Joe?
Are you liking this song so far? It's Arizona B. B is for Vegas. Moto. Pantay naman siya, no?
Bakit mama? Wow. Okay, time check. It's 1:55 a.m. Isipagan pa rin ako maglinis. Round 2. Happy Valentine's Day. So, this is my first option for today, but I feel like it's kind of too much for a picnic date. So, I'll try looking for a different dress. Hi guys! Ay, hindi ko na napakita yung dress ko na napili, but it's a white dress. Right now, I am currently prepping, doing my makeup here in the car while we are on the way. Look at Mimai's dress. Mas Valentine's ba yung dress niya? Susuot ko. Wala, mainit. 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Buti, hindi ko sinuot yung unang dress na suot ko kanina. Inis ka man.
Saan ready ka?
Para saan?
Mag-oo, hindi ka lang.
Ha? Peace pag-o. Wow!
Ganda.
Ang cute. Bait mo ah. Ayaw mo akong i-peace pag-o. Wow! Ay, kotik. Alam kasi yung wow.
Ay, Dismosa!
Hala, marunong si Bibay ng wow. Isa pa. Wow! Wow! Kajis na mo siya. Yay! I can see it from here! Jolly, 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 jolly. Yay! Jollibee! So yun ang craving namin for today.
We're just waiting for the Yum Burger and then we're good to go.
At the light, turn right onto West Washington Street.
Alright, we made it to Tempe Beach Park. We're so excited, so let's go, let's go! The weather's okay. It's not that hot, so bearable siya. Pwede talaga makapag-picnic. We found a spot. This is where we're going to lay down our mat and everything. How about move? Let's eat. Okay, our food is ready. So now I'm going to show you what we got from Jollibee. So of course we got the chicken, half spicy and half regular chicken, Jolly crispy fries, Yum Burger, and eto yung wala sa atin na isa rin sa gusto ko dito sa menu nila sa US is the adobo rice. So meron kaming adobo rice. The chicken also comes with a gravy. And of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang aking favorite na peach mango pie. Ay, nakabaliktad. Peach mango pie. So let's go eat. I'm so excited. Finally, it's my first meal of the day. Is it your first meal of the day?
Yeah.
It's already 4:30 p.m. Ganda dito, oh. Tignan mo. This is it. This is it.
Spicy for me.
Sarap nito magkamay. Let's eat.
Jollibee, baka naman.
Beke naman. Pakinggan nyo kung gaano ka-crispy. Kahit 30 minutes na kami bumiyahe. Grabe! Sobrang sarap. Bigyan natin si Mimar ng kaunting chicken.
Living here in the USA made me appreciate the small things in life. Everything that's peaceful is what's luxury for us when you're an adult already. Like going to the park, just having the freedom, having the time to do things and enjoy nature, be with your loved ones. So those are the luxuries that we crave now as an adult. Or maybe ako lang. The parks here are very pet friendly. Although service dog na si Mimay, but still. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for all the blessings. Gusto ko na kainin tong peach mango pie. Ah! So excited.
Yummy.
Grabe. Perfection. Oh my God. Paubos na siya. Wala na, ubos na. I'll be forever your girl. Hey, baby. You're so pretty, my baby. Wow! Hindi na siya nagpapauto.
Wow!
Wala. It's not working anymore. Wow! Ang cute naman yan! Hi, my love! Tempe Park. And katabi niya lang yung Tempe Center for the Arts. Let's check it out. This is what the restroom looks like. Actually, I was just looking for a restroom, and since malapit lang to sa amin, I'm like, okay, why not check it out? And luckily, it's for free. That there's no entrance fee needed. And I asked if there were other exhibits. So yung Terraform lang yung exhibit. But she said I can roam around the place or the building for free, and they have rooftop on the 3rd floor that I want to check out. Let's go to 3rd floor. We'll see. We made it to the rooftop. I'll probably just chill here for a few minutes. So, sobrang lapit lang talaga. So, that's where we are. And this is where the Tempe Center for the Arts is. Let's go! Kita niyo ba si Mimay? Grabe na yung tingin niya. Tingnan natin. Dadaanan ko lang siya. Tingnan natin kung makilala niya ako. Ay, grabe yung tingin niya. Padaya, nagtanggal ng leash. Ay, baba, I'm back. Ayan, kasama ko na ulit si Kim and si Mimay. It's already 6 p.m. Kasi natulog kami dito kanina. We took a 30-minute nap. And now we're going to start painting. It's our first time celebrating Valentine's together after like 2 years of LDR. So, let's go! We have to be resourceful. Hingi kami ng trash bag ni Mimay. Tapos dito namin nilalagay yung paint. Kasi yan! Okay, and brown. Before. Okay, we're done painting. That's Kim's painting. Show us your painting, my love. Ayan. And this is my painting. Yay.
Realistic.
Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine?
Yay!
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, but you silence to the fear, and you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it. You deserve it now.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.